Hey everyone, want to personalize your drawing experience in Excalidraw? Customizing your drawing tools can make your sketches more efficient and tailored to your style, whether it's adjusting for the line thickness, changing colors, or exploring different drawing modes. Let's dive into how to customize the drawing tool in Excalidraw. You can click the pencil at the top right here for drawing. This is the tool at the top right here that you can see it highlighted in purple, or yeah, purple. And then now you're gonna see right here I made a sketch, right? Click the cursor at the top and then click the drawing. You can go out right here and click the painting at the bottom. You can change the color, right? You can change the color, and you can see right here the background of that sketch, right? And let me go and select this, right? And you can see right here the fill, stroke width, right? In the opacity, if you want to reduce the opacity, in the layers also, right? In my case, let me choose it. Let me choose it. Okay, let me type the drawing again, right? I can change the color, right? If I want to add another drawing with different color, click the cursor at the top. Let me go back. Yeah, cursor, and then click the sketch or the drawing, and you can edit the stroke width, and you can fill, right? Or you can make it the same, right? You can reduce also the opacity and make it appear or disappear. Let me, right? And you can use layers for adding it above or below. And you can also change the colors as we said before, right? You're gonna see right here actions, right? You can change the place, and you can type or paste the link if the drawing was pointing to a website or social media platform, right? Click the painting again. You can also see the opacity and all that stuff. You can also see if there is any background to that drawing. So you can also see that if there is a background, they will edit that one out too, if you want to. Okay, so basically that's how you use the drawing tool for making it appear, disappear, the thickness, the stroke, and all that stuff, right? You can see right here I can change the color, same thing, opacity, and add layers. And if you want to add more to it, if you want to add like a template or something, click the Excalidraw library at the top, and then add your own ideas. Okay, so basically that's how you do it. If you want your drawing skill, let's say for example you drew a arrow, right? Let me add arrow thing. Okay, you can see right here at your right, you can see that I'm selecting it. I can change the color of it to make it green or all that stuff, and the stroke width to make it thicker or thinner, and the sloppiness if you want to add the arrow to more look like it wiggles, and the arrow type to be like little to the right or kind of moving to the right, and you're gonna see also the layers if you want to add it at the top, at the bottom, and the opacity as well, same applies. And after you click the screen, you're gonna be able to see right here and change my arrow style, right? And the same goes for diamonds. Also, if you added your diamonds, you can also add the sloppiness and the thickness, and if you want to fill that circle, and you can also change the color in the stroke, style, and width. Click the screen to apply the settings. As you can see right here, we made it like this. Yeah, as you can see, and that's basically that's it. All right, you can also customize the erase tool. You can see the erase next to the adding next to the photo album, you can also right here erase. Use the erase to delete anything that you don't want, right? You can also see that I'm using this eraser, right? And as you can see, it removes the design automatically. So basically, if you want to redo it, you can also click the undone right here to go back to your drawing more easily. But if you want to continue with that deleting and redo it again, you can also do that after erasing the design. But be aware that you won't be able to go back to your previous to your previous drawing. After you finish, click the three bars at the bottom right and hit save to. You can save it as a file or as a image by clicking export image, right? And that way you can save it as a PNG or SVG. And that's how you can customize your drawing tools in Excalidraw, whether you're adjusting brush size, changing colors, or fine-tuning arrow styles. Excuse me, not adjusting the brush size, but adjusting basically your drawing on Excalidraw. These small tweaks can make a big difference in how you work. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Ready to customize your workspace? Let me know how you like to set up your tools. See you in the next one.